Easy quick installation. Most RVs are already prepped for the Vision S system, eliminating extensive drilling requirements. The unique Sharkfin camera fits on the pre-installed prep, and the marker light cameras can replace your existing marker lights. Waterproof cameras with night vision. Comes with 3 high-resolution, 720 by 480, IP65 waterproof cameras with infrared night vision, live streaming, intelligent IR cut filters and wide viewing angles. Stable long-range signal strength. The 2.4 GHz proprietary wireless communication provides a reliable digital connection with no lag between the camera and monitor. Tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds and extended range of up to 492 feet in open spaces. Clear easy viewing. 7 touchscreen anti-glare monitor comes with park assist marker lines and displays a clear image for up to 4 cameras for all-around coverage. The windshield and table mount allow for easy viewing. CMOS Size 1/3. Top reviews from the United States. Furrion Vision S. Easy to install all 3 cameras. Pairing was easy and painless. Side views are very clear. Still getting used to rear view. Think it needs some adjusting.